Commercial vehicle safety is not a future problem. It's a daily operational reality. With large vehicles, limited visibility, and constant interaction with surrounding traffic. The bitsensing ADAS kit was built to address that reality. The ADAS kit is an integrated ADAS safety system designed specifically for commercial vehicles, a ready-to-deploy aftermarket solution for buses, trucks, and retrofit environments. At the system level, the ADAS kit combines radar sensors for continuous all-weather object detection, camera systems for visual context, an integrated controller running core ADAS functions, and a driver display delivering clear, real-time alerts. Rather than operating as separate components, every element functions as one unified driver assistance system. System configuration is flexible. Sensor type, count, and placement are adjusted based on vehicle category, operating conditions, and regulatory requirements. The system remains active during driving, maneuvering, and low-speed or stationary scenarios, supporting the driver throughout daily operation. The ADAS kit supports key driver assistance functions focused on risk reduction and accident prevention. These include forward collision warning, blind spot information, and surround view monitoring to eliminate hidden risks, rear collision warning for safer reversing, and intelligent alerts to protect vulnerable road users, from vehicle start to moving off in complex urban traffic. Function availability varies by configuration and vehicle type, ensuring the system fits real operational needs, not theoretical use cases. Designed for aftermarket deployment, the ADAS kit is practical, scalable, and proven in real commercial vehicle fleets. Bitsensing ADAS kit, system-level safety, engineered for deployment. Bitsensing.